Alright, welcome back to the channel today. And today we are on the ground here at Madrid airport. And by the way, my voice kind of hurts and my nose is really runny, so I ain't going to be talking that loud. So you might have to turn up the volume. But we're sitting here in the 777-300ER at Real Madrid airport in Spain, of course. You may be wondering, Titus, why do you have everything in the ground? You're usually up in the air whenever you start recording, or you're on the ground on the runway. Well, that's because I want to talk about sewage. Many people wonder where airplane sewage goes. And of course, I know where it does because I'm an aviation geek and I know where everything on an airplane is. And the APU hole is not placed there, but anyways. So the place where all the sewage is in the back. So there is a tank on the bottom of the back of the plane that holds all the sewage. And when you're on the ground, we don't have a proper sewage truck model, so we're just going to use other stuff. So once you're on the ground, a sewage truck will come, drive over here, and get all the sewage out. Of course, how does all that sewage build up? Well, let's just take off and let's see. So let's do a runway takeoff really quick. And I'm getting the air and describe that. So I don't have anything about sewage in this game, sadly. So I guess we're just gonna have to let that be that. Oh, I'll press the brakes. So let's just go ahead and take off here. Okay. By the way, By the way, this plane is very long. So tail scraping, that was a worry from the start. Well, let's move over here. I know, we're in Madrid with an Egypt air livery. Kinda common. But, this is a beautiful plane. So, whenever you get in air like this, there's people in the cabin who will walk from the top to the back to use the bathroom. And they'll do it right in the middle of the flight. I'm guessing that's how most people do. So they'll go in the back to the bathroom. The bathroom should be right back here, and then they'll do their business. And then once they flush the toilet, here's where all that sewage goes. It goes into a tank. Under everything, there's a tank. There's a tank that holds all the sewage. And then let's land here, just Then once all that sewage is built up, should be the end of the flight. So then the plane will land and basically take all the sewage out, which is pretty good. I don't know if they clean the tank or not. And the reason why you don't smell it is because there's like foam and stuff on top of it. So that's pretty good. And also because it's at the very bottom of the fuselage. I'm so sorry about my voice today. My voice just ain't having it. I feel fine, just like my voice is just not having it. That's usually how it always is. So, I don't know if this is a crosswind landing, but it looks like it. Let's come in for a nice buttery smooth landing. This will be butter, I hope. Come on. I really hope I don't overshoot the runway. We're turning into British Airways. like 38 or something like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Easy, throttle up. That's not been butter. That's been a normal landing. You know what? How most normal airlines, kind of like Frontier, the most basic airlines land, yeah, that's kind of how it is. I was trying to land like that so that I could avoid a tail scrape. So here we go. And also the game replicates tail scrapes pretty well, so I would really not want to do that. By the way, before we end the video, I want to tell you guys to like and subscribe. And thank you for all the subscribers I have gotten in the past. It's so good. And just my channel's growing faster than believe. And if I can reach 300 subscribers by May 24th, I'd really enjoy that. Summer is coming up, and I wish you all a good day.